What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today's the day I'm gonna finally show y'all my seats. I finally installed them. It took a long time because my seats are manual. Well, one side manual, one side is electric, and I don't want to go through all the hassle with all the plug and play and shit like that, so we had to take out the covers and put on my covers that I had. I had to take out the covers and put them on the seats that I had in my truck. As you can see over there, you can see those are the seats that I bought, and I just took out the covers, so here's the new look of the truck. And that's it, guys. I finally installed the seats in my truck. Something I always wanted to do to this truck. I wanted to put the high country seats, but they're really hard to find. And these came to mine, and I bought them. They're really cheap. I got the full set with the console, so we just put the front two seats. And like I said, I'm gonna show you right now in the video how we took off the covers and we put them on these seats. Alright guys, and something that I always wanted to do to my truck, I'm finally gonna add a sound system in the next video. I'm gonna add a titty panel and DS18s all around silver tips with my boy Manny from Custom Tin Alarm. He's gonna hook me up with the system, and I'm gonna go probably like in 2 weeks to go install it, and that'll be another video. Probably gonna change the headliner because there's like a little leak coming down right here, and I want to change it out. Probably put it suede. And next, change the steering wheel because it's peeling a little bit right here. Stay tuned for next video. I'm gonna go put the sound system on in 2 weeks. I'm really excited, so stay tuned for that. I know y'all gonna really like it. And just follow me on TikTok at JuniorJSP_. Yeah, stay tuned. Alright.